Welcome to Easy Learning. Today, it's a new beginning. I'm going to start off a new series today, Easy Biz FM. That's regarding financial management. I hope and pray that this series be the easiest lessons on financial management. Any course related to business, be it bachelor's or master's degree programs, executive programs, certificate programs, diploma programs, any of these, take the case of any of these, have few common areas in the paper or the course called financial management. I'll be dealing only those common areas. Let's see what those common areas are. For the purpose of our study, I've divided this paper, financial management, the paper or the course, into three different parts. The first is the framework, the second is the concepts, techniques and theories, and the last part covers some miscellaneous or related topics regarding financial management. Let's move straight to the syllabus. The first part, financial framework. The framework of anything is actually the structure of what the whole subject or topic is all about. So I have to make a clarification here. Structure doesn't actually mean it is actually in a step-by-step kind of a process. The structure can be a structured one, as in one by one, or as in the order, or unstructured, where everything is connected in some way or other, but need not be in a particular order. So all these things are related to the finance. So all these related to the finance of any business in this world is included in this term called framework. Let's just see what the different points that we are considering for the framework. The first and foremost element, yes, the business. So the business and its environment. There are so many elements, in one way or other they are interacting with each other. Okay, so let's just list out the few of the elements in this environment, financial environment or the financial framework. To start off, the business and its adversaries. Better than calling them adversaries, let me put another name for them. Common name, competitors. Okay, the supplementary or complementary. And then we have different other units like supply chain intermediaries. Then we have financial intermediaries in the name of banks, in the name of other persons who actually provide finance, called as financiers. And then we have NBFIs, non-banking financial institutions. All these elements are actually in this framework. And we should not forget, these are the only things. There are still so many other players in this field of framework, and one such important player in this framework is the authorities. Authorities like SEBI and tax, the government officials. All these are authorities who actually see the working of this businesses. This is just a random list of people or resources involved in the framework. Okay, so we are moving to the next part, concepts, techniques and theories. Here, the first part is the concept. People are very much wary about the concepts in financial management, simply because it's not the easy way that it has been put to people. It is very easy, be it the time value of money, be it the risk and return trade-off, be it the valuation. All these are very simple. These are the basic concepts of financial management upon which the whole financial management is working on. Okay, now we move on to the next item in this part, that is the techniques. The techniques can be based upon the type of decisions. So before explaining the techniques, just let me brief you the decisions, the types of decisions. We have got 3 types of decisions. What are the 3 types of decisions? Yes, for any business to run, we need the investment. Okay, so that is the first type of decision, investment decision. Now the second decision, financing decision. We know where to put the money. Now the money should come from where? So those kind of decisions are dealt in financing decisions. And the third, now we have the investment being done with the money put in, and then we run the business and we get back our money. When we get back, it is known as dividend. The third type of decisions are dividend policy decisions. So based upon these 3 decisions, we are going to see what are the techniques involved in financial management. The first one, investment decision. Under it, we have basically 2 types of techniques. The first one is capital budgeting. The second one is cost of capital. These are the 2 aspects that we cover in investment decisions. Now moving on to the second type of decision, financing decision. In the second type of we have leverage analysis. And now we move on to the third type of decisions, that is the dividend decisions. In the dividend decisions, we basically decide about the dividends. Okay, the dividend policies. So these are the types of techniques that we look into in the second item of the concept, techniques and theories. Now the last item of the second part, the theories. Basically, we'll be going only for 2 types of theories, capital structure and dividend policy decisions. And finally, before winding up, we'll be checking out the sources of finance also. Okay? Now the last part, called the miscellaneous or related topics of financial management, we'll get to know in course of time. Okay? These are the topics that we'll be dealing in very simple manner. Okay? I hope this will help you in solving a lot of financial problems. Just joking. Okay, so please don't forget to watch my videos and subscribe it, share it and comment in it. I would also like you to click that bell button so that you get notifications of my new videos on time. So catch me if you can. Okay? Bye.